We have a Honda S2000 headlight finished up today. This customer went with brand new OEM AP1 headlights, which we did the popular clear corner swap for that JDM styling. And then we also, of course, upgrade the projector performance by performing the proper lens tuning, projector tuning on this OEM projector. Really don't need much else for the Honda S2000s. The factory projector is very good, but with our clear lens tuning, you do get a nicer cutoff, sharper, and you get a lot more color at the cutoff line. And then cosmetics, of course, the amber reflectors have been removed for the clear type JDM style look here. Other than that, everything is left OEM, so these pretty much look like stock JDM headlights with a little bit of added performance increase. I'm going to cut it on just to give you guys a look at what it looks like lit up. We have our test Denso ballast here running some Philips 85122 Plus bulbs. And simply when he gets these headlights, he's just going to swap over all of his original bulbs and ballasts and bolt them right up to the new headlights, and they're good to go. So you can order a headlight package like this on our website, VisionAutoworks.com. We have a headlight package specific for the Honda S2000 AP1 and AP2s. If you have any further questions, you can contact us by email or phone. Our contact information is on the website.